Alright guys, we're at the junkyard here in search of a dash for a 1998 International, the roll-off truck I just bought. I need a dash for it because it's not working. And I might have the right one. I wonder what year that is. Sometimes it's fun looking, and then other times it's like you don't know what the hell you're stepping in anymore. Junkyard diving, right? Could I be that lucky on my first? I don't know. What kind of creatures come out? That dash is older. That's an older one. Maybe not though. This one's questionable because it's got the newer style dash. A little different setup though. What year is this truck? This truck is a 19 model 91. That's too old. That's weird. It's got the newer style dashboard. Huh. And this truck here, old style dash. So that was like maybe the in between. That one back there. That one's not gonna work. It's in that one. That dash is gone. Oh, looks like a pretty popular item. And I have a parts truck here, which is a 98, and somebody took the dashboard out of it. So it's like, you know. Now I'm in search for that dashboard that's missing. This dash is out of that one. There's a dash in that one, though. I wonder what year this is. You kind of want to go with the same year. Sneak over here. Let's see. This is an empty shell. See, that's another one of those dashes. Newer style. I don't think it's stung by anything, probably. Never know, guys. Never know. Reach in here. That may work. That's different style. Won't even clip in my dash. Need a 98. These are all early 90s. Alright, we're going to continue to search this junkyard. You have another one here. What is this? Nice Napa mud flaps at least. Let's take a look. This one could be the right year, newer style. See if I can get this open up. Getting attacked by anything. Look at that PTO laying there. And that's the dash I need. What year is this? 97. That dash will work. About the same mileage, still a little more. Alright, looks like somebody was attempting to take it. We got a nest up in there already. Bee's nest, or hopefully an old nest. I think we're gonna be alright here. Yeah, old bee's nest up here. Yep, this is the one I need. So let's gently. You want to be gentle when you take these out because they're fragile. So note that, because these little slots in there. It's definitely the right one. All right. Somebody tried to get this out of here, and they must have not had the wrenches to get the airlines out or something, because it's kind of weird. But make my life easier. Hopefully it's good. There's something wrong with it. Buzz those off. You got one more airline here. That one's gonna be tricky to get to, I gotta say that. That one's gonna be tricky. Put that down. Oh, maybe not. I love Junkyard style. Oh yeah. Just like that, I got a dash. A lot more miles. Or maybe less miles. Whatever, but that works. Hopefully. Alright, there is one more thing. That's this blinker. I don't know if this one's good or not, but I'm going to take it because I could test it in my truck. So it looks like I pop apart the steering here. We'll park this column here. Let's see. My blinker works, and then sometimes it stops working. So, is it just a plug-in, or is it actually go to the harness? I think it might be even a harness here. Does that all go to that? Yeah, you probably can't see what I'm doing here, but I was hoping that this blinker was just a plug. It looks like it's... It sucks that's there. Okay. Close. Pull that out. These things plug in here, but right there. Ow. There it is. And the only thing is, I need a socket for that, and I might have that socket. Alright, we're in business. Maybe. I hate these kits. Yeah. Let's see if we get this out. Alright, how does this work? Go like that? How do you reverse this thing? Stuck and tighten? You gotta flip it totally around on these? What do we got here? Oh. Alright, now I gotta get it off the steering wheel itself. So, I don't really know. How's this thing bolted on there? Question here. I'm hoping I can pull this apart. And this actually does something. I'm having to pull like the steering wheel or something off. I'm starting to get a little nervous, to say the least. Oh, I think I see what I gotta do. Looks like there's screws in here. I got one there, and there's probably one there. think I got lucky on this. Yep. Maybe a boring video, but helpful to some people. Save you some time. Snap this pulls off. And that plug stays. There you go. So the driver's side's working blinker wise on my truck. Passenger side's not, so hoping this solves the problem. Okay guys, we're back in my truck here. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this apart. So let's see. Oh, there's actually air left in this truck. This truck holds air well. No, that's not that much now. It's gonna blow out. Okay. Old dash. If you ever replace a dash, save your old one. So if you ever go to sell the truck, you could say, hey, listen, you know, I replaced the dash. Here's my original mileage on the truck. All right, we're gonna go ahead and right off the bat, just get this blinker replaced here. See. Now that we know what we're doing, it's always faster. It's always faster once you've done it once. Hopefully this other one works. It's a problem with getting stuff out of the junkyard, you just don't know. But pull this column off. Oh, this is like a different style. Seems got like a little different here. I feel like this should kind of pop off of here, maybe. All right, maybe, maybe not. No. Another one with a screw in. This one's a. Oh, I see. Well, that's kind of stupid. Why would they? And then this one, what the heck? I don't know who designed this. Alright. Guess this cover is not going to want to come off here. We'll grind her out. Now I have to cut it up here. It's like the last thing you want to do, right? But it's just stupid. Alright. This goes through here. This wire. Oh. Actually, this goes up there. So those wires are gonna have to go. That goes there. That goes to that, and then I gotta feed them down through. So this actually goes. Oh, this actually still has a piece in there. Alright. Where's the screws? Screws in there. Oh boy. Oh yeah. Good thing they came out, huh? Now I have a feeling it's gonna be tough to get these screws back. They're supposed to be. This is pretty magnetic. Maybe. Oh, I see. I don't think you're supposed to thread these all the way out. Do this. That's what it is, so you can leave these threaded in a little bit. So I should be able to screw this right back in. Oh, really? Really? My wipers were, oh, I have to be grounded for that? They were working before, those wipers. Okay, so now I got the blinkers working, now the wipers won't work. Oh, right. Perfect. Okay guys, we're in business. Tiny. Crappy, but size. Okay. Alright. Still work. That's it. Alright, next let's get this dashboard back in. You be very careful with these. Very careful with these. All right. That's the okay. So that line, this line I'm doing now is the oil pressure. I was curious. And let's get these lines on. Green goes to the my right. I should put that on first. Okay. Don't damage anything. Get these plugs back in. It's like tight down in there. Well, I was worried that plug wasn't going to fit, to be honest with you. That scared me. Alright. Now these kind of just supposed to just clip in, right? And then you got screws on the bottom. I don't know if I like this stuck on 45 miles an hour. I'm hoping it resets with the key. Here's the moment of truth. Looks like the fuel gauge is working. Brake pressure is working. That's the main thing. Let's start it. Make sure there's no leaks, no oil running down. The mileage is super close. Kind of odd to be lucky like that, because this at 111, that's 127. But our oil pressure's good, works. Our air's building up, pressure light's working. Do our blinkers work? Our blinkers are working. obviously directionals. High beam light, maybe not. Well, who cares? But other than that, probably none of that stuff either. Yeah, our air pressure's going up. I just want to, that's important right here. I got pulled over by DOT the other day, so wish I was filming that one. I was with my other truck, which I thought was perfect. Oh, maybe that's why that went. Yeah, that don't matter. Let's see how this does here. Get that air pressure up, and then that should go off when it hits 60 or around 60. That should be ready. Yeah, we're almost. See what the needle is on that pressure. That should go off. Have to have that working, or that's out of service. Yep. Now when I pump them back down, that should come back on. See? Go back up. Off. Cool. Now I don't know, the tach's not working. So I don't know if hopefully the mile per hour work at least. Like that. Kind of push up, wipe it down. Go ahead and screw all that together. And then I just put my cup holder on. Back on there. Like that. All right. So yeah, this is the truck I just bought. The N14 Cummins, 400 to 500 horse. Not sure, haven't hooked it up to the computer yet to find out, but nice floats. All these tires I had put on, all pretty much 90. I mean, this one's new. Well, I mean, this is right here. You're looking at $1,400 in tires, just these 8 on the back, which, you know, but I like to paint the frame red, and you can see I'm pretty busy. I just brought these in, but I mean, pretty much I only got a couple dumpsters, you know, only a couple in out of 40. So been really busy driving every day. It's been tough because that truck still needs an inspection and everybody's so behind and everything, but this one's off the road now. So I've had this one over 3 years, fixed everything on it, but I don't know. I mean, it's still a good truck, and I wouldn't mind having it on the road for a third truck. Maybe even hire somebody part-time, put them in there, but, you know, it's like, the insurance is just crazy, you know? But, actually, I have this truck for sale. Can't believe nobody jumped on it yet, actually. But, yeah, I only have a few. A lot of these dumpsters are spoken for too, so I've never been so busy. It's a good thing. But anyway, yeah, this truck's got new brakes, cans, LED lights in there. Cab's in better shape than that one. You know, the exhaust is new on there. It's automatic too, and it's got a better tarp system with the hydraulic tarp. High tower. So the only thing I was thinking, I'm going to pull, if it should be the same because the frame's the same. I want to pull the bumper off of that truck over there, stick it on this. And what's cool about that, this has the hooks here, but that one has a hook in the middle too, so I'll have 3 hooks on the front of this truck. But yeah, you've already seen the inside. I just did the dashboard. But and what I mean by the high tower, this goes up like 12 feet, and then this tarp goes over, and then you pull it down, so it sucks everything on top of there. Really pulls it down. You can see new cables, you know what I mean? Automatic, key should not be in the ignition. But yeah, so it's a newer, it's a 98, it's 10 years newer than that. It's an 88 back there. So, but if I clean this frame up, I mean, this frame is, you know, it's a Galfab hoist. Not really crazy about this style. I like the one, I just put my other truck inside for tonight, but I like the ones that are just, you know, flat. That's a Galbraith in there and a Galbraith on the other one. 3-stage pistons, which really isn't necessary. Yeah, so, and this only has 111,000 miles on it. And actually the International out back only has 121,000 miles, believe it or not. It's good to buy these. Like, that truck came from that was a city truck back there, and this also was a town truck, this one. It's good because usually they're in pretty good shape. This one came down by the city, so this truck, as you can see, hasn't been beat or nothing. So I'm pretty excited to get it going. It's just I got to get the inspection done, so I don't even want to run it, you know what I mean? 19 on there, should be 20, a 22 on there. So but yeah, pretty nice truck. I think by doing the bumper we'll clean it up even more. And this, you know, they did some, I guess, body work, but just kind of wanted to spray this, you know. I gotta tighten that up, but fender, I'll try to get the same color gray. Not crazy about the gray, but I don't know. It'd be cooler if it was white, but I'll go, you know, I think it would look good with the red frame. Paint these black, maybe keep these gray or whatever. Clean it up, you know, that way when you go by DOT, everything looks decent. You know what else I did on this? So I had these welded back here on both sides for the back. But what I did was I usually get short, which I may on this, not sure yet. I usually get short stops. And with the short stops, you can see these have them, oh, up there, but that's for inside rail, which nobody uses anymore. But usually you flip them up and a 12-foot can will fit perfect on there. But what we did rather than that is weld these up here. So now I can pull the short cans on and tie them on that way, get to the yard, untie them, slide it back, dump it, you know, whatever. It's all about the same speed if you look at it that way. And the only downfall right now, I have 6 of those tub styles way over there, the 15s. Without the short stops, I actually cannot use those on this truck. Hard to explain, but because of the pulley, those don't have the cutout. You know, some guys know what I'm talking about. Those older tub styles. I have newer 15s. The newer 15s I can pull on, and it's like a 30 or like those 20s. But hopefully soon I'll probably be selling those tub style ones, because I should be getting the replacements that are newer. But yeah, then been a busy season so far. There's a 30-yarder there that's going out tomorrow. So yeah, really was hoping to get this truck going today. Want to I'll do another video driving it, whatever, but you know, we'll do that once it's inspected and good to go. So kind of, like I say, kind of disappointed. This truck would have been going tomorrow delivering dumpsters, because you know, we've, you know, going through it. So it's good, but it's not good because of inspection. Where I get it done, the guy's on vacation, and I called around, they're like 2 to 3 weeks out on an inspection, so that's kind of a bummer. So I'll definitely be waiting, I would say, till Wednesday. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope to see you on the next one. I'll have an update soon, hopefully next week. I'll throw a video on it, you know, driving this thing. We'll see how it sounds, goes, everything else. We'll throw a 30 on the back. Maybe I'll take you out. We'll pick up a full 30 yarder, take it to the dump it, and see how this truck handles. So, alright guys.